Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic average. All the topic of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like SSC CGL, RRB, Bank PO, Railways and many government job exams and job interviews. These topics of quantitative aptitude are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, GMAT, CAT, SAT, ACT and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. In this video, we are going to solve questions on average. Our question is, the average of 10 numbers is 23. The average of first 4 numbers is 19 whole and 1 upon 4. The average of next 3 numbers is 14 whole and 1 upon 3. The 8th number is 5 less and 9th number is 2 less than 10th number. Find the 10th number. The given options are option A 39, option B 43, option C 35, option D 27. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let 10th number be x, then 9th number will be x minus 2 and 8th number will be x minus 5, and the sum of first 4 numbers will be 4 multiplied by 19 whole and 1 upon 4. 19 whole and 1 upon 4 can be written as 77 upon 4, and we cancel these 4 by the denominator of 77 upon 4, and this is equal to 77. This is the sum of first 4 numbers, and the sum of next 3 numbers is 3 multiplied by 14 whole and 1 upon 3, as the average of these 3 numbers is 14 whole and 1 upon 3. 14 whole and 1 upon 3 can be written as 43 upon 3, and we cancel the denominator of 43, which is 3, by the numerator of 3, and this comes out to be 43. Now we have complete data and we can make an equation. So the sum of all the numbers is 77, which is the sum of first 4 numbers, plus 43, which is the sum of next 3 numbers, plus x minus 5, which is 8th number, plus x minus 2, which is 9th number, plus x is 10th number, and this is equal to 10 multiplied by 23, as the average of these 10 numbers is 23. So 10 multiplied by 23 is 230. Now we solve x minus 5 and x minus 2 and x. So this will be 3x. This is equal to 230. The sum of 77 and 43 is 120. So we transfer it towards the right hand side. So it will become minus 120. And we have minus 5 and minus 2, which is minus 7. That will be plus 7 when transferred to the right hand side. So this is equal to 230 minus 120 is 110, plus 7 is 117. Therefore x equal to, we divide 117 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. We carry 7. It is 27. And 3 divides 27 for 9 times. So x equal to 39. This way we can find the value of x. And from the given options, our answer is option A 39. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, a train reaches 40 minutes late to its destination when it travels with an average speed of 42 km per hour instead of 48 km per hour. Find the distance in kilometer traveled by the train. The given options are option A 196, option B 280, option C 168, option D 224. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let distance be x. Then the time taken by the train when it travels by 42 km per hour will be x divided by 42. Similarly, the time taken by the train when it travels by 48 km per hour, and that will be x divided by 48. And the time taken by the train when it travels by 42 km per hour and when it travels by 48 km per hour, their difference is 40 minutes, and 40 minutes is 2/3 hours. So our equation will be x divided by 42 minus x divided by 48 equal to 2/3. We multiply both sides by 6. So this will be x divided by 7, as 6 cancels 42 for 7 times, minus x divided by 8, as 6 cancels 48 for 8 times, equal to 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 3. 3 cancels 6 for 2 times. So it will be 2 times 2 is 4. Now we multiply both sides by 56, because 7 times 8 is 56. So this will be 8x, as 7 cancels 56 for 8 times, minus 7x, as 8 cancels 56 for 7 times, equal to 56 multiplied by 4 is 224. So this gives 8x minus 7x is x, equal to 224. So this is 224 kilometer. So the distance traveled by train is 224 kilometer. This is our answer. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 224 kilometer. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is A, B, C and D are 4 numbers. A is 5 times of B. B is 1/3 of C. C is twice of D. If their average is 31.5, find the largest number. The given options are option A 60, option B 18, option C 72, option D 36. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. A, B, C and D are 4 numbers given to us. So we assume the value of D as 3x. Then C is twice of D, so it will be 6x. B is 1/3 of C. 1/3 of C will be 2x. And A is 5 times that of B. So 5 times of B will be 5 times 2 is 10x. So A is 10x, B is 2x, C is 6x and D is 3x. This way we can assume our numbers so that the fraction number is not involved. Now the sum of these numbers is 10 plus 2 is 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 3 is 21. So this is equal to, their sum is equal to 21x. And we can easily find the sum of these numbers from the average given to us of these 4 numbers. So we can write 21x equal to 4 times 31.5, as the average of these 4 numbers is 31.5. So this gives us 21x equal to 4 times 31 is 124 and 4 times 0.5 is 2. So it will be 126. 21 cancels 126 for 6 times. It gives x equal to 6. Therefore 10x is equal to 60. As the largest number in A, B, C and D is 10x, and we have been asked to find the largest number. So largest number is 10x and the value of 10x is 60. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 60. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average of two numbers is 73. If 2 is added to larger number, their ratio becomes 1:3. Find the smaller number. The given options are option A 64, option B 37, option C 111, option D 109. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If the two numbers are x and y, then their sum x plus y is 2 times 73, as their average is 73. So this will be 2 multiplied by 73. This gives x plus y equal to 146. 73 times 2 is 146. If 2 is added to larger number, their ratio becomes 1:3. So we add 2 to y and we assume that y is a larger number. So this will be x plus y plus 2 is 146 plus 2 is 148. Now x ratio y plus 2 given to us is 1:3. So if x is 1, then y plus 2 is 3. So if x is x, then y plus 2 will be 3x equal to 148, or 4x is equal to 148. This gives x equal to 4 divides 148 for 37 times. So x equal to 37 and x is a smaller number. So our answer is 37. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 37. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the arithmetic mean of consecutive 80 numbers is x if each of first 40 numbers are increased by 5 and last 40 numbers are decreased by 3. Find their new mean. The given options are option A, x plus 1, option B, x plus 2, option C, x plus 5, option D, x minus 3. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. It is given that each of first 40 numbers are increased by 5. So total increase will be 40 multiplied by 5 equal to 200. And last 40 numbers are decreased by 3. So total decrease is 40 multiplied by 3 equal to 120. So the difference of these two is 80. And this is the total increase in the sum of all consecutive numbers. So the sum of all consecutive number earlier was 80 multiplied by x, which is 80x, and the number increased by increasing 40 numbers by 5 and 40 numbers by 3 is 80. So we write it 80x plus 80. This will be the new sum of the numbers. So we divide it by 80 for their average, and this is equal to x plus 1. 80 divides 80x for x time and 80 divides 80 for 1 time. So the new average will be x plus 1. And from the given options, our answer is option A, x plus 1. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, in an exam, it was found that marks of 105 students were misread as 86 instead of 56. Due to this, the average marks obtained increased by 6 marks. Find the number of students appeared in the exam. The given options are option A, 545, option B, 575, option C, 540, option D, 525. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let the number of students who appeared the exam be X. Now the average increases by 6 marks because of misreading the numbers. So the total increase in the marks of students is 6 multiplied by X, and this is equal to 105, which is the number of students whose marks were misread, multiplied by 86 minus 56, and this gives us 6x equal to 105 multiplied by 30. 6 cancels 30 for 5 times. This gives us x equal to 105 multiplied by 5 is 525. So the number of students who appeared the exam was 525. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 525. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. The average age of 21 students is 17 years. Out of these, the average age of 11 students is 16 years and that of 9 students is 18 years. Find the age of 21st student. The given options are option A, 21, option B, 20, option C, 18, option D, 19. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. The total age of 21 students is 21 multiplied by 17, as the average age of these 21 students is 17 years. And this is equal to 17 times 1 is 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 17 times 2 is 34. 34 plus 1 is 35. So the total age of 21 students is 357 years. The total age of 11 students is 11 multiplied by 16, as the average age of these 11 students is 16. So the total age comes out to be 176. 11 multiplied by 16 is 176. And the total age of 9 students is 9 multiplied by 18, as their average age is 18. And 9 times 18 is 162. This is the total age of 20 students. So we first find the total of this 20 students. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. We carry 1 and write 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Is 338. So the age of 21st student, because 11 and 9 students, their total age comes out to be 331, and the age of 21 students comes out to be 357. So we will be able to find the age of the 21st student, which is 357 minus 338, and this comes out to be 19 years. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 19 years. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. This was very easy question. We go to the next question. Our question is, in a group of 36 soldiers, 12 new soldiers join them. Due to this, meal cost increases by $264 per day, while average cost per person decreased by $1. Find the original per day meal cost. The given options are option A, 936, option B, 1204, option C, 864, option D, 1152. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let per person per day cost or meal cost be $X. So I am writing X. So the total per day meal cost of 36 soldiers is 36X. Now after joining the 12 soldiers, this cost increases by $264. So we add 264 to this. And due to this, per person meal cost decreases by $1, and the number of soldiers becomes 36 plus 12 is 48. So the total cost comes out to be 36 plus 12 is 48 soldiers multiplied by their per day meal cost is X minus 1. Now these two quantities are equal. So we equate them. So 48 multiplied by X minus 1 is equal to 36X plus 264. This gives us 48X, and from the left hand side we transfer 36X, so it becomes minus 36X, and this is equal to 264, and we transfer 48 multiplied by minus 1 towards the right hand side, so it becomes plus 48. 48X minus 36X is 12X, and this is equal to 264 plus 48 is 312. We multiplied both sides by 3 to get the value of 36X. So 3 times 12 is 36X equal to 312 multiplied by 3 is 936. As 36X was the original per day meal cost of 36 soldiers, and that comes out to be 936, and this is our answer. So our answer is option A, $936 was the original per day meal cost of 36 soldiers. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average of first 5 consecutive numbers is 7 and another 5 consecutive numbers is 12 if first 5 numbers are multiplied by 4 and next 5 numbers are multiplied by 2. Find the new average of all the numbers. The given options are option A 24, option B 26, option C 28, option D 21. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. It's given that the average of first 5 consecutive numbers is 7. So the sum of these all 5 numbers will be 7 multiplied by 5, and each number of them is multiplied by 4. So we can multiply 4 to this sum. So I write multiplied by 4, and this comes out to be 7 times 5 is 35. 35 times 4 is 140. And it's also given that the mean of or average of another 5 consecutive numbers is 12. So their sum will be 12 multiplied by 5, and each number of them is multiplied by 2. So we can multiply their sum by 2, and this comes out to be 12 times 5 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. And the sum of all 10 numbers will be 140 plus 120, and that is 260. Now we can easily find the average of these 10 numbers, and that will be 260 divided by 10 equal to 26. And from the given options, the answer is option B, 26. This was very easy question. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the cinema ticket costs $40 on Friday, $27 on Saturday, and $15 on Sunday. Find average cost per ticket if number of tickets sold on these 3 days are in the ratio 3:5:7. The given options are option A 28, option B 30, option C 24, option D 21. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. As the number of tickets sold on Friday, Saturday and Sunday are in the ratio 3:5:7. So we assume the number of tickets to be 3x on Friday, 5x on Saturday, and 7x on Sunday. So the sum of the tickets is 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 7 is 15. So it is 15x. Now the cost of these 15x tickets is, the cost of Friday is 40 multiplied by 3x is 120x. The cost of 5x tickets on Saturday is 27 multiplied by 5x. This is equal to 135x. 27 multiplied by 5 is 135. And the cost of 7x tickets on Sunday is 15 multiplied by 7x, and this is equal to 105x, as 15 times 7 is 105. Now we find the total sum of the amount collected on these 3 days. 5 plus 5 is 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. So it is 360x. Now the average. Average equal to 360x divided by 15x. So it will give us the average cost per ticket. X is cancelled from numerator and denominator. 15 divides 360 for 24 times. 15 times 2 is 30. 36 minus 30 is 6. We carry 0, it becomes 60, and 15 divides 60 for 4 times. So it becomes 24. So the average cost per ticket for all these 3 days comes out to be $24 per ticket. And from the given options, our answer is option C, $24. Here the currency given to us is dollar. It can be any currency, and by changing the currency, the solution to the question doesn't change. It may be dollar, it may be euro, or any other currency. I hope you have understood the solution of this question. Before concluding this video, I request you to solve as many questions as possible on topics of quantitative aptitude from different books to become expert in solving such type of questions. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.